you sad that Twilight's gonna be over?
What?
Yeah.
What?
This is actually, I wasn't really expecting this. This is kind of sad, man. I mean, yeah, this is sad right now, to be honest. I'm about to start crying. No, but like we got to live here. We got to live in this world for such a crazy long period of time compared to the amount of time you usually do. And so it's sad, but like it feels good. It's almost like, yes, we did it. Yes, we finished. And so everyone keeps throwing this around, and it feels like if I ever hear this word again, I just don't want to. It's bittersweet.